morning. We're up early today. We're heading to Magic Kingdom for a rope drop. Got a little special surprise today, but I'll not say until it happens and see what happens with it. So good morning. It's sunny because it was overcast all day yesterday, but here we are. Let's go. And here is our minivan. Looking for Doug. It's an absolute beast, this thing. I love it. Nice. So we're on the omnibus, I think it's called. It's taking us right to the castle. Never done this before, another first for us. So yeah, today is a good day. And we're at the top of this bus. So you're getting views you don't usually get to see here. So we've made it onto Space Mountain. Got in at 10:02 and we're at this point already. We've not done this in 5 years. Again, répétez, écoutez, répétez. Could get a lightning lane for 11:30, but it might clash with our Tron lightning lane. When we thought we were doing so well. But yeah, the line's moving quite quickly, to be fair. These are the rocket ships that you'll be getting on. Why leave a seat empty when it's so busy? There's empty ones over there. Front row of Space Mountain. Yeah. That was fun. I started to hear someone talk about Aerosmith. That's something we've not done yet. Back at Tron, our group's about to be called. We're group 25 and they're calling groups 1 to 24, so we thought, let's just head over now. Risk it for a biscuit. I just love the theming, the track, the soundtrack. Rawson's on a mission. Our group has been called just before 9:30. We're this far back. So we'll let you know what time we get on. And ready to go. Here we go. Flashing blue.
Roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned. The light cycle run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops.
Oh, we're going to miss that bit, so we're going straight on. All the way at the back. So we are number 409, and you don't come back this way, belongings goes through. I don't think the camera does this justice. So follow your arrow, so I'm going behind again. Here we go. Let's go! Oh. It's an art form to get out of these. And just follow your arrow again. And then we'll go check our video and our pictures. Rawson doesn't find the seats too comfortable. Remember you can't take your phone on there, but obviously it has to stay in the compartment like I did with the camera. So we joined the queue at 9:30 and we're at 9:40. Not even a 10-minute wait. So I got to use my magic band. Boop. There you go. Make sure things do not fall out. That's what it looks like in the film. So that was fantastic. I think I need to change the memory card in this and the battery, but oh, so worth it. And it fits so well in the compartment as well. We're just waiting to get our picture done outside of Tron. I've just realised that the floor, it's got kind of blue glass almost, that texture for Team Blue, so that's another detail that Disney put in. It's just phenomenal. I know it's a floor, but still. Successfully doing Tron. Rosin's now got sun lotion applied. We've not had any breakfast yet, so we're going to go head to Gaston's Tavern and just be her guest. I get a photo pass of the Beast Castle. Maybe later. Right when the moment when I met her, saw her. Had a lot of Beauty and the Beast yesterday with the Be Our Guest sing along. So now we're heading to Under the Sea with Ariel. 20-minute wait, so we thought might as well. Beep, 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 beep. Listen to that all day. Smashing in your Master Magician outfit. Yes, I know. You must get all this. Oh, yeah. don't be shy. It's all right. Just take the compliment. That's all. That's all you have to do. It's all right. Look, you're all right.
Oh, you're so much for coming.
No worries. Oh.
Wow. Thank you.
Mickey Mouse, everybody. The magician. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, is that you? Success? Oh, that was too quick. Bye. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Go on it, on the camera. Just outside the Grand Floridian, and we've spotted a golden retriever, buddy. Just had a little quick lunch at Pete's Safari, and we're going to be chatting to these people in a minute. So we're seeing what that leads us to. I just love looking at that tree. It's bizarre that it started its life as an oil rig structure behind it, underneath it, in it. It's hard to believe that it is just an old oil rig to support all that. You can look at all the details of every animal that's carved into there. This is the back end. A whale, a snail, a meerkat, an owl. I can't remember how many animals there are, but it's just amazing structures. It's another hot one after a nice cool one yesterday. Fans have been on all day. I had a little chat with Disney Parks UK. Rosa and I both featured in it, and it was just talking about our experiences at Disney World and what it meant to us, and just a range of questions. It was really good fun. I rambled on, didn't I? Just a bit, but it's just so much to talk about when it comes to Disney. Oh, there's a fly on my phone. Anyway, so we just got a bus to Boardwalk, and we're going to try and get this Spirit jersey for Rosalind. We've got our Mickey ears. Sorry, we've got our Minnie ears. We need the jersey, the Spirit jersey, to go with it now. Wish us luck. We're just walking in the Boardwalk, another DVC property. Wow. Stunning. Absolutely phenomenal. So we've just descended those stairs. We're on the Boardwalk now. Oh, Why do we have to like the finer things in life? It seems so materialistic, but we don't. We like these things, and oh my goodness, it is stunning going into this shop. We're taking the boat back from Boardwalk all the way to Epcot. It's the top tip to go to the front of the boat so you get that airflow. Otherwise, you're absolutely cooking. Have managed to get a last minute pre-fireworks dessert party. So we get desserts for an hour and a half before the fireworks, and we get prime seating for viewing the fireworks in the Garden Plaza. So that's cool. And we're just going to share a meal at Cosmic, what's it called? Tomorrowland Terrace. So we're going to spoil our appetite for the treats. People are camping out their spots already, and it is currently 7:30, which is a bit insane, but hey ho, that's what they want to do. Oh, now you can go through the castle. Never gets old.
Thank you, you're too kind.
As let's finish our dinner.
I was only kidding about the raise, man.
Now we're heading to Tomorrowland Terrace for some desserts. We're just gonna people watching there and like, we really don't want to leave. We don't want to check out tomorrow. But we've still got Universal and other things to do, so you gotta think of the positives. Just love a sunset at Magic Kingdom. Look at that. It's been some holiday, let me tell you. Check the size of that strawberry. So far so good. Well, we just sat down and they brought this out to us, so that's cool. Then I got this myself. So there's the alcohol area. All your utensils. Some of the treats. Look at the size of those strawberries. Huge. Amazing. Some cheese. Caramel apple crepe. And the other side is exactly the same. We have the cookie bits, I believe. Hiya, how you doing? And some cookies, sugar cookies, chocolate chip. Birthday cake, cupcake. Ah, okay. We got one of these. That's cool. And you can decorate them all you want. So we're trying to find access to our prime seating, prime viewing. It's looking busy already. I think it's here. All right. Thank you very much. So further in. Oh, and we got a quiz as well.
I'm gonna do a quick mic check. Can you hear me in the back? Hello?
Yeah. So this is where we're going to park. So I'm just away to find some water and some juice so we can have it for the fireworks. And that is a prime location, so yeah, amazing. So we are currently sat down. So we're 10 minutes away and we're now standing up. I wish we got what we could do here at like Japan. They all sit down for the fireworks. So we're standing in front of like a little bush in the Plaza Gardens. I must say this is a good view. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And they all live happily ever after.
so I'm not going to put the camera on on me. We're just totes the mosh, leaving Magic Kingdom for the last time we'll be here at night. Until the next time. And we're off to Universal tomorrow for 2 nights and a Carib Royale for 2 nights. We're also featuring NASA in this trip, but yeah, it's gutting. It really is gutting. This is the last time we'll see at night time because we will need to leave here about 5:45 on Friday when we leave to go home. And we'll be spending time with my brother and our niece and his fiancée and family, so this is what it looks like leaving. And obviously we were near the front, so we might be a wee while trying to get a bus back, but this is the way.